In the fast-moving world of news, it's easy to miss the meaning between the lines. That's where we come in. Each episode, we take real headlines from Newsline Philippines and let AI break them down. Not just the what, but the why it matters.
So we've got some big news today. Jetstar Asia, that airline, they're shutting down. What do you make of this?
Yeah, it's a pretty big deal. A real blow to budget air travel in Southeast Asia. Lots of people use them.
Right. It's not just the passengers, though, is it? This impacts employees and the whole aviation industry, right? What kind of knock-on effects are we looking at?
Well, we'll probably see ticket prices go up on other airlines, at least for a while. Less competition, And job losses are a real possibility.
So the future of budget travel in the region, is this a sign of things to come? Okay, let's dig a little deeper into why Jetstar Asia is closing. The official statement was pretty short, but what are some of the likely reasons?
There are probably several things going on. Rising fuel costs are a big one, and the whole post-pandemic recovery has been tough. Plus, there's a lot of competition out there. It's probably a mix of all those things.
So not one single problem, but more like a perfect storm?
Exactly. The airline business is really sensitive to economic changes.
And what about tourism? Jetstar brought a lot of budget travelers to the region.
Totally. This would probably hit tourism numbers, especially in places Jetstar flew to. Other airlines will have to pick up the slack.
All right, let's switch gears a bit and talk about what this means for passengers who already booked flights.
The announcement didn't say much about refunds or rebooking, but people should check Jetstar's website for updates and contact customer service.
This also makes you wonder about the whole budget airline industry, right? Are other budget airlines facing similar problems?
Many are facing similar challenges, yeah. But not all are in the same boat. The industry is changing, and we might see more mergers or takeovers.
So it's a pretty uncertain time for the whole industry.
Exactly. Airlines need to be flexible and come up with new ideas to survive.
Okay, let's hit a few more points quickly. When does Jetstar actually stop flying?
The article says July 31st, 2025 is their last day.
And what about people who need to travel those routes now?
They'll have to look at other airlines. Booking ahead is a good idea.
Well, that's been a really interesting discussion about Jetstar Asia closing. Thanks for your insights.
My pleasure. It's a big deal with lots of consequences.
Absolutely. It shows how unpredictable the airline industry can be. Thanks for joining us.